up, trappers? Check it out. Here in Indiana, it doesn't know whether it wants to shine or rain. So there's the mud puddle, the rain puddle. It's shining right now. It may rain on us before this video is over. Who knows? But we're out here. We're checking out the tires for the Blazer. We got 2 of them in, which is odd. 2 more are out for delivery today. It says they're on the truck, so hopefully they'll be here and we can get them mounted up and on the Blazer real soon. But we're going to check those out, show you the size difference and that sort. Here in the back of the mini truck, we have another project sitting, but also for the Blazer. We're going to show you that. So I didn't think that this project was going to work initially, but we figured it out, worked it out. So it is going to work, and we're going to get them on, guys. We're going to get this flipped around so you can check out what we got going on. All right, guys, check it out. There's the one of the new tires for the Blazer. I don't know how you can really tell from this angle, but it does fill up that wheel well quite a bit more. And this would be nice to drive on, guys. Let's see, maybe we can get a little closer view. See, it is definitely taller. I know it's kind of hard to tell with them like this, guys, but if you can see back there, you can see the drop. Let's see if we can get from this angle a little better, guys. I don't know, I can't really tell, but maybe so. You can tell the difference. So it's definitely a little taller tire. Gonna fill up this wheel well a lot more. Here, maybe we can get a side by side. Here we go. If that'll sit there for me. Oh yeah, definitely be a lot better, guys. A lot better. We just have to get the other 2 in hand and then contact somebody who's going to get them on for us and balance and get us right. But the other project I'm working on, guys, is over here. I said something about the mirrors before, putting the Lambo mirrors on the Blazer, and this corner piece with the mirrors that I had, the power mirrors, wasn't the same corner piece. So I was like, damn, they're not going to fit. But I forgot that I had a set that I initially took off the mini truck, and you see the mirror here slides into this corner piece. So check this out. I took the corner piece from the ones I took off the S10, and we're gonna mount the Lambo mirrors to this one. This is the one that I had on the mirrors, guys, and look at the difference here. See how much smaller that is? Quite a bit difference in the size. So we're gonna get the right corners on and get these done. I can't really make my mind up, guys, whether, I know I definitely want to leave these black no matter what, but I can't make my mind up whether or not I want to paint them red to match the truck or not. I think I'm going to start with black and go from there. But check this out, guys. Aaron Martz, he just pulled up. He got the Ford. We're going to get a look at this thing. Man, that thing looks good, guys. Does it not? Man, look at these wheels. Monsters. Look at that. Those wheels look good on here, guys. Real good. Yes, indeed. This truck looks nice. We're checking out your truck, Martz. Checking out your tires. See? You can't even tell the scrape was there. Can't see it. You never tell. Those videos, they just came out. Yeah, well, it's dirty too. Yeah, it even covers it up. But yeah, you can't tell they were there. But you can definitely tell these things are here. What are they? Nitto Ridge Grapplers? On what, 20-inch fuels? 18-inch fuels? Nice. They look big. Man, they look good, guys. But that's what we're out here doing today. We're going to work on the mirrors while we wait for the tires on the Blazer. We're going to get rid of these Dumbo things. And we're definitely going to get the Lambos on, guys. If I leave them black, they're just ready for clear coat pretty much. So we'll hit them with a couple layers of clear coat, let them cure up, and those will be going on the Blazer real soon. So hopefully that's the same with the tires. What do you think, Martz? You think they'll look a lot better on there?
Yeah.
I think so too.
Them are nice tires.
Yeah, and they'll be nice to drive on. I won't have to worry about busting my rim or my tire. Nothing like that. And they'll look good on this truck, I think.
Yeah, they will.
I think so. There's good measurements. But anyway, guys, that's what we're up to today. That's what we're doing. Look, you can see the sunshine. It won't be out here long. There's the mirrors again. We'll see you guys in the next clip. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.